On Tuesday's homework, we have a review. It says what number can go in the blank to make the equation true. So students need to skip count by sixes until they get to 42. Word problem. There are 8 rows of chairs. There are 7 chairs in each row. How many chairs are there? We're at the point now where the student should see if there's rows with chairs in each. We're missing the total amount of chairs, so we multiply to figure out how many chairs there are. If the student needs to draw rows, 8 rows, and put 7 in each, that's okay, but we're trying to get to fluency, which means we're simply skip counting by 8s, skip counting by 7s, or breaking up the 7 into 2 smaller parts and using the distributive property, which would look like this. We make some easier facts than 8 times 7. Explain how you can use both addition and multiplication in one expression, which means there's not an equal sign, to find the total area of the figure. We can think of this in 2 ways. We can think of it as a big rectangle, which means I would need to multiply 3 times whatever 3 plus 7 would be. So I'm going to write an expression that has addition and multiplication. I can also think of these as 2 smaller rectangles. If this is 3, I know that this is also 3. So I also can do 3 times 3 for my little rectangle, plus 3 times 7 for the larger rectangle, and I would get my answer. Notice I have multiplication and addition, multiplication and addition. On the back, today during our lesson, we worked on writing a fraction greater than 1 whole. The first thing we do is we still partition our wholes into our fractional unit. So I'm going to make thirds. I'm going to write 1/3 inside of each part. And then I'm going to shade in 5/3, and I'm going to write it in fraction form, 5/3. Here they want it in unit form, which means I write the number 9 and then the word thirds. Reggie bought 2 candy bars. Draw the candy bars and estimate to partition each bar into 4 equal pieces. So I know that I have fourths. Now it says he ate 5 pieces. So I know that each piece is 1/4. If he ate 5 pieces, that must mean it's greater than 1 whole. So he ate 5/4 of the candy bars, and I would shade in 5 pieces. Write a fraction to show how many candy bars Reggie ate. This would be down here.